Yeah. The same, يحسن سأسوق, no problem. Yeah. Now problem 3, page 150. Open page 150. Let's do problem 3.
It's correct.
نحن بعد ما اشتغلنا ولا problem غير problem 2 ما هيك؟
Yes.
Yes, just problem 2.
Yes.
It's
Okay.
correct.
Yeah. Okay. Let me choose. نحن اشتغلنا مهدي فرحات وقت اشتغل معنا الجاوي لين زبط. لين
I didn't do last period.
Yes, Muhammad.
I didn't do last period.
I read problem 3, Muhammad. We were starting from down. يلا محمد الجاوي. محمد.
Zaid owns.
Ziyad.
Ziyad owns 2/3 meters of yellow ribbon and 2 meters of a green ribbon. How much more does he have green ribbon than yellow ribbon?
Okay, so we are comparing between yellow ribbon and
Green ribbon.
right. One is more than the second. They asked us by how much more it's the green ribbon than yellow ribbon. Right. When we are comparing between two different things, how will we find the difference between yellow and the green ribbon? What should I do?
We should the minus.
We should subtract them. Excellent.
Yeah.
So we have to subtract both. Which one is bigger, yeah, Muhammad Aljawi? 2 out of 3 or 2?
2 out for 3.
2. How do we write it as a fraction? The number 2.
No, 2/1. 2, because it will become 2/1.
Yes. So both have same enumerators. Same enumerators. So the biggest fraction, the one that
Has less denominator.
less denominator. Excellent. Right. So 2/1 is bigger than 2/3. Now let's find their difference. Yes. So 2/1 minus 2/3. How do we subtract them, يا عجاوي?
Sure, we can subtract.
So what shall I do?
We should put the denominator the same.
So how we will find it?
We should write the multiplication numbers.
What is the common multiple between table 1 and table 3?
3.
It's a 3. So I will write over 3. Type. Then which number in table 1 give us 3?
3.
Which number in table 3 give us 3?
1.
2
1.
times the 3. 2 times 1.
2.
Then let's subtract both. Yeah.
It will become 4/3. 2 minus 6 equals 4. And the denominator stay the same.
So 6 minus 2 equals 4. Type. So what is the difference between both?
The difference between
So he has.
he has 4/3 green ribbon meters from green.
Yes. So he has
More
4/3 meters.
More
green
than
ribbon.
yellow.
More than yellow ribbon. Ribbon.
Can I do number
In turn. More than yellow ribbon. Yes, Jawad.
I wrote
Correct.
has 4/3 meters.
Whatever ما بيهمني الانسر يا جواد. Just the equation. Is it correct?
Yes.
Okay, this is the most important thing.
Teacher, you mean the answer or the equation?
The equation, إنه 2/1 minus 2/3. Did you write it correct? So this is the most important thing. Yes.
But I write it, I switched them, not 2/3.
لا, you have to start with 2/1 because it's bigger than 2/3.
But the answer is correct.
So you wrote 2 minus 6. How will I subtract from 2, 6? Well, I will subtract from 6, 2, not from 2, 6. So you have to switch them. Yeah. Can I move to problem 1 now?
Yes.
Yeah. Lean Zabad now.
Yes, teacher.
Yalla Yareen, read the problem 1.
Fuad needs 1/2 hours to finish his homework. He
Okay.
spends 1/2 an hour to do the math homework, 3/4 of an hour to study the science lesson, and 5/6 of an hour to read his reading lesson. Calculate the duration of the break he takes while he is studying.
Okay. طيب. So Fuad needs how many hours to finish his homework?
1/2.
Do 1/2. طيب. To do his math homework?
1/2. 3/4.
Science lesson?
3/4.
A reading lesson?
5/6.
5/6. Okay. طيب. So he took 2.5 hours to finish everything. The math homework, the science lesson, well, reading lesson. ما هيك؟
Yes.
طيب. Okay. We will find the duration of the break. Before we start finding the duration of the break, let's check how many hours does he take to do the math homework, study the science lesson, and to read his reading lesson. So let's draw a figure here. Its total time هو 2.5.
Yes.
Okay, طيب 2.5 hours to do math homework or science lesson or reading lesson. And also he will take a break during this time. Okay, take a rest يعني. طيب to do his math homework he will take half an hour. Science lesson 3/4. We're reading 5/6. طيب how will find the duration of the break? First we should know how many hours does he spend to do this اللي هن الماث, science, we're reading. So what shall I do first?
Should add.
We have to add them all. Excellent. With remaining time, how will the duration of what?
Of all
Break.
A duration
of the break.
Bravo. So he will take a rest. So
بس
the break.
مش first لازم نلاقي common denominator.
Exactly. Yes, for sure. So let's write the first equation. The first equation, we will find the time needed to finish the math homework, science lesson, and the reading lesson. So half plus 3/4 plus 5/6. Yeah. How will add them, Yalin, and all have different denominators? We should find what?
We should find common multiple.
What is the common multiple between table 2, table 4, and table 6?
12.
12, exactly. 12 is in table 2, in
Yes.
table 4, and in table 6. Now, which number, Yalin, in table 2 give us 12?
6.
So we have to multiply by 6. Which number in table 4 give us 12?
3.
Which number in table 6 give us 12?
2.
Type. 1 by 6, how much?
6.
3 by 3.
9.
And 5 by 2.
10.
Now we can add them easily. Yeah. 6 plus 9.
6. Yes, 15.
15 plus 10.
20.
20.
21.
25.
25.
Okay, thank you. So 25 over 12. Fatima Kurani.
Yes, teacher.
Now, ya Fatima, you will find the duration of the break. He took 25 over 12 to finish the math, science, and the reading lesson, 5 out of 12. Okay? How 25 over 12, sorry. How much is left to take a rest?
Will make minus
Exactly. What is the total? How many hours does he spend in all to finish everything?
2 1/2.
2 and a half.
over
يعني 2 hours and half an hour. ما هيك؟ طيب 2 and a half minus which fraction?
25 over 12.
25 over 12. يلا change the mixed number to a fraction.
Yes. Will make 2 times 2 equals 4 plus 1, 5.
So 5 out of 2. طيب. Now let's find the common multiple between table 2 and table 12. What is the common multiple between table 2 and table 12? Fatima Kurani.
We will write table 2 and table 12.
شو هو common multiple? It's easy, no need to write it. Between table 2 and table 12. Help her. What is the common multiple between table
12.
12?
12.
Exactly. It's a 12. Which number in table 2 give us 12?
6.
6. Table 2.
Which number?
6.
6. Okay. And here it's 1. 5 times 6, how much?
30.
30 minus 25, how much? 30 minus 25, Fatima, it's 5. So the duration of the break is 5 out of 12 hours. Thank you. No more space. I will write it down. So he will take 5 over 12 hours. Okay, as a break. Yeah, finish then. Let's start with problem 4. You have to do it alone. Think with problem 4. Yeah.
Please can I'm not done. Teacher.
Yes, Jawad, what do you want?
أول كلمة من الأنسر هيدي هي
He will take 5 over 12 hours. Problem 4, you have to write 2 equations.
Okay. هيدا عشان أمل أنا لازم أحل.
In the first equation, you have to write the number of pieces eaten by Amal, and here left. How many pieces are left? You have to write them as fractions. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. The pizza is drawn here. It's divided into 8 equal parts. Did you finish from problem 1?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So she buys a pizza. She cuts the pizza into 8 slices, 8 equal parts. At lunch, she eats 2. Then at dinner, she eats another 2. Okay. So how much did she eat in both at lunch and at dinner? Then how much
4.
is left with her? So you have to write them as equation.
Amal buys a pizza, cut and 3 slices at lunch.
Oh, you'll do it alone?
Yes.
Okay.
Teacher, I can't do it.
Yes, I'm waiting to do it alone.
Teacher, when we finish, do it.
Yes. هنشتغل بعد هيدي البروبلم هلا وعلى الحصه الثالثه بنكمل البروبلمز اللي هن the next page and we will finish all the problems today.
Okay.
يلا ترى.
Graphic exam
teacher ال
9:30.
2 teacher
Yes teacher.
ال 2 اللي هي أكلتهم لازم نعملهم كفراكشن ولا لا فينا
Yes
نزيدهم
كفراكشن.
بس؟
Yes yes write them as fractions. يعني over the denominator you know that the denominator is how much because it represents the total.
Yes.
Okay same denominator in all. How much is the total number of equal parts here?
8.
8. So just you have to write over 8 in all.
The 2
So she eats 2 slices at lunch, then she eats another 2. So in both, how much did she eat? Then how much is left with her?
Teacher, but we have to make it يعني a fraction 2 over 1.
Fraction. Why 2 over 1? 2 over what? The denominator represents what يا جواد?
2 over 8.
Over 8, the total number of equal parts. Into how many parts did I divide the pizza?
Yes, 2 over 8.
Not 1.
Can I do it?
يلا when your friends finish. Two minutes and we'll start correcting problem 4. Who is still doing problem 4?
Me.
يلا finish please. يلا hurry up. We still have 5 minutes. Is it hard problem 4 or easy?
No, not easy.
That's easy.
Easy, easy, squeezy.
have 45 minutes and 15 seconds.
يلا بس correction. So Fatima Quran did. Now who's turn Zahra after Rida? يلا زهراء. زهراء.
Yes.
يلا يا زهراء.
Okay. Amal buys a pizza, cut in 8 slices. Teacher?
Yes, Zahra, I'm hearing you.
Okay.
Yeah. So first equation, we have to do what in order to know the number of
This sounds very deep. And now we are not hearing you, teach.
what shall I do in order to find the number of pieces eaten by a man?
Teacher, your sound is
Your sound is deep.
What should we do so we can find?
Teacher.
Teacher, now we are not hearing you abadan.
Now, are you hearing me, teacher?
Yes.
Now we are.
Yes.
Type. How many? I was asking you how many pieces did she eat at lunch and at dinner in both?
Yes.
2.
She ate it at lunch and at dinner, 2 pieces.
2 pieces at lunch, so at dinner 2. So how much did she eat in both, ya Zahra?
4.
4/8.
Zahra Abdul Rida, what shall I do? How do we write the equation?
We write the equation 4/8.
How do we write? How did we get 4/8?
8 plus 2 plus 2.
2 plus 2, but we have to write them as a fraction.
8 down.
So 8 down and 2 up.
So over what? If we have to write them as a fraction, and it's number of pieces.
Teacher, sorry,
not
but
hear you.
deep.
What is the total number of pieces, Zahra? Are you hearing me?
Yes, now I'm hearing you.
Yalla, what is the total?
Is 8.
So we have to write over what?
2/8. Okay.
Yeah, then 2/8 plus 2/8, how much?
Only 1 minute. Only 1 minute. Teacher, we have to write the table 8 first.
Yes, how much, Zahra?
It's 4/8.
4 out of 8. So 2 plus 2 is 4 out of 8. Less than 1 minute.
Okay.
Miss, رجعنا الأول السنة. Your voice is deep.
خلص ماشي في وقت.
طيب.
هلا انا حوقف معكم على الحصه الثالثه. بنكفي البروبلمز. اوكي